The sun rises, casting its golden glow across the world. Birds sing, heralding the start of a new day. But today, something extraordinary is unfolding, not just in the skies, but in the financial markets. As the world awakens, a quiet revolution is taking place, one that will be remembered for years to come. And gold? Gold is at the center of it all. This ancient metal, revered for centuries, is breaking records and capturing the attention of investors, analysts, and everyday people alike. Its luster has never seemed brighter, its value never more apparent. On this day, April 22nd, 2025, gold reached a price never seen before. $3,500 per ounce. The news ripples through trading floors and living rooms around the globe. Headlines flash, social media buzzes, and the world takes notice as gold smashes through its previous limits, setting a new all-time high. In a world filled with uncertainty, economic turbulence, shifting geopolitics and volatile markets, gold stands as a beacon of value. Its glow is more than just physical. It represents stability, trust, and a safe haven when other assets falter. People everywhere are turning to gold, seeking security in its timeless appeal. This isn't just a blip on the radar, it's a surge for the ages. The biggest monthly jump since 2012, and a year already marked by astonishing gains. Analysts scramble to make sense of the numbers, while traders react with excitement and awe. The gold market is alive with energy, and the world is watching. For many, gold is more than an investment. It's a safeguard, a tangible asset to hold in uncertain times. Investors are moving quickly, securing their holdings and locking away their gold as a shield against the unknown. The rush is on and the demand is palpable. But why? What forces are driving this precious metal to such dizzying heights? Is it fear, speculation, or something deeper at play? As we witness this golden phenomenon, let's delve into the heart of the matter and uncover the reasons behind gold's meteoric rise. The year began with promise. Gold, already on an upswing, continued its climb. $3,000 an ounce quickly became the new normal, then $3,300. Each milestone, another milestone surpassed. Now, in late April, a new peak, $3,500, a testament to gold's enduring allure. But this rise is not happening in a vacuum. Global events are painting a picture of uncertainty, and in uncertain times, gold shines brightest. Across the globe, storm clouds gather. Political tensions simmer. The United States, once a bastion of stability, now grapples with internal strife. President Trump's pronouncements unsettle markets. His attacks on the Federal Reserve erode confidence. Trade wars rumble on. China and the US locked in a delicate dance of tariffs and rhetoric. The global economy feels the strain. Uncertainty reigns. Investors seeking safe harbor turn to gold, its value a constant in a world of flux. Imagine a ship caught in a tempest. Waves crash, winds howl. The vessel is tossed about. In such times, sailors seek stability. They cling to the sturdiest part of the ship. For investors, gold is that sturdy mast. When traditional assets falter, gold stands firm, currencies fluctuate, stock markets tumble. But gold endures. It's a tangible asset, a store of value for millennia. In times of turmoil, its appeal is primal, instinctive. The gold market is abuzz. Traders are on high alert, every tick upward a surge of excitement. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, a measure of market momentum, sits at 79, overbought some say, but you know the momentum is undeniable. Buyers are everywhere. Any dip in price is met with a rush of demand. The fear of missing out is, well, palpable. But is this frenzy sustainable, or is a correction inevitable? Predicting the future is, well, a fool's errand. But experts are paid to try. Goldman Sachs, a titan of finance, sees gold reaching $3,700 by year's end. ANZ, another giant, forecasts $3,600. Their optimism is fueled by central bank buying. Central banks, those guardians of national wealth, are gobbling up gold. They see it as a hedge against uncertainty, a way to diversify their reserves. As long as they keep buying, the price of gold is likely to remain buoyant. Gold isn't the only precious metal enjoying the limelight. Silver, its often overshadowed cousin, is also on the rise. A modest gain of 0.3% today, but every bit counts. Platinum holds steady. Palladium, used in catalytic converters, jumps over 1%. The performance of these metals is a barometer of industrial demand. And right now that demand is strong. It's a sign that the global economy, despite its challenges, is still humming along. In the world of finance, few topics spark as much debate and intrigue as gold. Experts are divided, and the conversation is anything but simple. On one side, you have those who see gold as a beacon of stability, a timeless asset that has weathered centuries of economic storms. On the other, skeptics warn that the current enthusiasm may be blinding investors to potential risks lurking beneath the surface. Some believe this gold rush is not just a fleeting trend, but a sustainable movement fueled by global uncertainty and shifting economic tides. They point to the steady climb in gold prices as evidence that investors are seeking safe havens in an unpredictable world. These optimists highlight the unprecedented levels of central bank buying. Around the globe, nations are stockpiling gold at rates not seen in decades, viewing it as a shield against inflation, currency devaluation, and geopolitical instability. For them, this is a sign that gold's value is more than just speculative, it's strategic. Yet not everyone is convinced. Others caution against what they see as irrational exuberance. They argue that the rapid rise in gold prices could be a sign of overheating, driven more by fear and speculation than by fundamentals. These voices of caution warn of a bubble forming in the gold market. They point to historical precedents where similar surges ended in sharp corrections, leaving latecomers nursing heavy losses. According to them, a correction is not just possible, it's inevitable. They believe that when the tide turns, gold prices could fall just as quickly as they rose, catching many investors off guard. For these analysts, it's just a matter of time before reality sets in and the market adjusts. The question is not if, but when. As with most things in finance, the truth likely lies somewhere in between these extremes. Gold's story is rarely black and white. It's a complex narrative shaped by countless variables. Gold's price is driven by a complex interplay of factors: geopolitics, global economic health, inflation expectations, central bank policies, and even investor sentiment. Each of these elements can shift rapidly, making the gold market both fascinating and unpredictable. To predict its future with certainty is frankly impossible. Even the most seasoned analysts admit that gold defies easy explanation, and that today's trends can reverse in the blink of an eye. But one thing is clear: gold will continue to fascinate, puzzle, and confound investors for years to come. Its allure endures not just as a commodity, but as a symbol of wealth, security, and the eternal quest for certainty in an uncertain world. Gold. A single word, yet it carries the weight of centuries. It glimmers in the imagination as much as it does in vaults and rivers. Gold is more than just a metal, it is a story, a promise, a dream that has endured through the ages. The very mention of gold evokes a sense of awe, a feeling of something eternal and unbreakable. Its luster has captivated humanity since the dawn of civilization, inspiring explorers, artists, and kings alike. Gold is permanence, a shining thread woven through the fabric of our shared history. For centuries, gold has been the ultimate symbol of wealth, power, and stability. It has been hoarded in secret vaults, displayed in grand palaces, and exchanged in bustling markets. Empires have risen and fallen, but the allure of gold has never faded. From the pharaohs of Egypt, who adorned themselves and their tombs with gold, to the emperors of Rome, who minted coins to proclaim their might, gold has always been a mark of greatness. It has crossed continents and cultures, uniting people in their fascination for its beauty and rarity. Gold has held a mystical allure believed to possess powers beyond mere wealth. It has been crafted into jewelry worn by royalty, used in sacred rituals, and treasured as a symbol of the divine. Its glow has inspired legends and myths, stories of lost cities and hidden treasures. In times of uncertainty, when the world seems unpredictable and fragile, we instinctively turn to that which is timeless. Gold becomes a refuge, a safe harbor in the stormy seas of change. It is the asset we trust when all else feels uncertain. We seek solace in the enduring, in the things that have stood the test of time. Gold is passed down through generations, cherished as a family heirloom, a tangible link to the past and a promise for the future. It is a legacy of trust, a testament to resilience. Gold, in its unchanging beauty, offers that reassurance. Its surface may be smooth and flawless, but its true value lies in the stories it carries, the hopes, dreams and struggles of those who have held it before us. It is a reminder that some things, despite the vagaries of human affairs, remain constant. Through wars and peace, booms and busts, gold endures. It is a silent witness to history, a measure of value that transcends borders and generations. And in that constancy, we find a measure of peace. Gold is more than a commodity. It is a timeless tale of trust, a golden thread that connects us all, reminding us that even in a changing world, some things are forever. Subscribe today, and thanks for watching.